Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Seafarers series, Sea-Ries #1. Series #1 is contact point for seafarers, crisis, and for grievances. A small disclaimer. Let's go to the contact points which are available for seafarers. Please go to the DG Shipping website, dgshipping.gov.in, and click the news item which is scrolling in the DG website called Contact Point for Seafarers, Crisis, Grievance, Redressal Mechanism. Once you click the link, you will get a PDF document. This PDF document will be showing you the contact points and nodal officials for contacting in case of grievances. The first point of contact is DGCOM Center. This DGCOM Center is first point of contact for all seafarers related grievances. There is a designated email ID with phone number, WhatsApp number, landline number, and email ID. Specific related to queries related to CDC, BSID, Indian Shipping Company related matters, you can approach Shipping Master Mumbai through the email and the number. Similarly, related to queries pertaining to RPSL companies can be approached to DSCO Mumbai. His email address is written and the numbers are also listed. Similarly, related to Kolkata, Shipping Master and DSCO Kolkata, their email addresses and contact details are mentioned here. Similarly, to Chennai jurisdiction, CDC, BSID, Indian shipping companies and RPSL, you can approach the Shipping Master and DSCO Chennai, and their email addresses and numbers are noted down. The matters pertaining to DG Shipping, if there is no response from any parties, you can always approach the crew branch, Captain Manish Kumar, myself, and even the DG Shipping, whose email address, mobile, and contact details are mentioned. So these numbers and email addresses are very key. If you are having issues, please approach the concerned personnel through their numbers or email addresses listed. The second part is related to well-being. There are well-being numbers which are freely available and confidentially available 24/7 and 365 days per year. This helpline number 1 is by Nusi Sahara, promoted by Nusi. This number is available for Seafarers helpline and for their family members. The second helpline is managed by FSUI Sea Call, which is available 24/7 and 365 days per year. The third helpline is maintained by Sailor Society, which is also available 24/7. The numbers and chats and email IDs are mentioned in the screen. The fourth helpline is managed by ISWAN, Seafarers Help, which is 24/7 and 365 days per year, confidential and multilingual. The numbers and WhatsApp number and email address are listed down in the screen. The fifth number is managed by Synergy V Team, the WhatsApp number and the QR code is mentioned. You can scan and get in touch. Also, the email address is mentioned. If you still have any further queries, you can always approach me. My email address and my official and personal email addresses are mentioned here in the screen. Thank you very much.